Okay, here we go. So, my past videos, this is the 355 block that I was having oiling issues with. I was losing oil pressure, and that plug right here in the center, it was undersized. That's what they sold. So, these are leaking oil, and the ones in back were screwed in way too far. And you can see that now. So, I'll be tearing this thing down, tearing it all the way down, and then I'm starting over from scratch. Got a lot of, I have most of the parts. I just went and picked up cam bearings, so that's what I'm starting. So this is another built at home engine. The other one that's in the Jag, I've seen videos, and then that revs out to 7,000 RPMs, which is, I'm very happy with it. So one thing right here, if you notice, the crankshaft on this block, the keyway got wallered out. I don't know if you can see underneath it. There's that keyway at. So the keyway got wallered out, and I made a jig, and I did this pin. I pinned it in the crankshaft and the harmonic balancer. So I have another crankshaft for it. That's what I was waiting for. I got the new crankshaft, so I'm going to tear this thing apart, start over. This is the very first stage. But build me another engine. So, like I said, the one that's in the Jag, I'm very pleased with. Revs out to 7,000 RPMs, which is pretty fucking cool. So, that's what's going on. I will keep you informed. This is not going to take a long. This will take, all engines take a long time, of course, but the whole process is going to go through the whole process with you. Each step, I'll be changing the pistons, pressing them in myself at home, everything. So, stay tuned because we're going on an adventure. All right, thanks, you guys.